Hello everybody, this is Old Soldier. Today's video is about my everyday carry. There seems to be a lot of interest in what people carry for personal firearms for self-defense and personal protection. Shown in the video today is a Glock 43 9mm handgun. I don't always carry a Model 43, but I almost exclusively carry either Glocks or 1911s. And today, or lately, I've been carrying the Model 43. I carry it in a simple Galco inside the waistband holster. I carry one spare magazine, and I carry it in the holder for a Leatherman tool. Quite simply because I had one, it's low profile, and it keeps the spare magazine secure. Next to that, I just have a disposable Bic lighter. Fire is important should you ever need one, and although I don't smoke other than the occasional cigar, I feel it's important enough that I do carry a disposable lighter. Also, in keeping with that thread, besides being good for chapped lips, chapstick is excellent for helping to start a fire. I generally carry some sort of a knife. I don't carry one knife exclusively, but lately I've been carrying the Gerber Mini Covert, which I recently reviewed on my channel. It's lightweight, and Gerber products are high quality and just overall a good product. Next, my keys. Here's a real sign of an old soldier. Some of you who know what that is, but for those that aren't, that is a P38 can opener that came in C rations when C rations were still issued. I always try to carry a flashlight. I did so when I was working. Even in the daytime, you'll go into dark buildings. It's always good to have light, and it's just I think very important to have a flashlight with you. This is a Terralux. It uses one CR123 lithium battery, and it produces something like 400 lumens. I've used this professionally. I've had it for a couple of years. They work well. Big fan of streamlights as well, but lately this is what I've been carrying. And last but not least, the Old Soldier part. I do carry a pair of collapsible reading glasses. Yeah, I'm to the age in life where I need them. These are very handy. They collapse, fit in a carrying case, and go right in the pocket. Well, that's my take on everyday carry. I'd be interested to know what other people thoughts and what they carry every day. If you're interested, please put them in the comment section. This is Old Soldier out.